MARPOL Annex 6 sets the international requirements for preventing air pollution from ships. It controls emissions and substances that may harm human health, the atmosphere, and the marine environment, including sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, ozone-depleting substances, volatile organic compounds, shipboard incineration, and greenhouse gas-related energy efficiency performance. Applicable ships must be surveyed and certified. Compliance is shown mainly by the International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate, or IAPP certificate. Marine diesel engines subject to NOx control must also have an Engine International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate, or EIAPP certificate, together with the approved NOx technical file kept on board. These documents are important for flag state, class, and port state control inspections. Sulfur control is one of the key parts of Annex XI. Ships must use compliant fuel oil or an approved equivalent arrangement, such as an exhaust gas cleaning system, where permitted. The global sulfur limit for fuel oil used on board is 0.50% mm, while the limit inside SOx emission control areas is 0.10% mm. Bunker delivery notes, fuel oil sampling, changeover procedures, and accurate logbook entries are essential evidence of compliance. NOx emissions from marine diesel engines are controlled under Regulation 13 and the NOx Technical Code. Engines must comply with the applicable Tier 1, Tier 2, or Tier 3 standard, depending on construction date, rated speed, and operating area. Tier 3 applies to relevant engines on ships operating in NOx emission control areas, subject to the dates and ship applicability specified by MARPOL. Annex V also prohibits deliberate emissions of ozone-depleting substances and requires control of equipment containing such substances. Incineration is allowed only under strict conditions, and some materials must not be incinerated on board. Fuel oil quality must be controlled, and fuel must not contain inorganic acid or other harmful added substances that could endanger personnel, machinery, or the environment. Energy efficiency is now a major part of Annex 6. Ships must comply where applicable with EEDI for new ships, EEXI for existing ships, carbon intensity indicator requirements, IMO fuel oil consumption data collection, and the Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan, or SEEMP. These measures connect air pollution prevention with reduction of greenhouse gas emissions from shipping. Effective Annex 6 compliance requires valid certificates, approved engines, correct fuel management, emission control equipment maintenance, accurate records, crew training, PSC readiness, attention to regional fuel rules, and continuous monitoring through the ISM code. The core principle is clear. Ship emissions must be prevented, reduced, and documented during every voyage.